Um, for science this week, we looked at two different types of circuit, and both of them serve different functions. So the first circuit here it's called a series circuit. Now, last time we learned that the source of power is the battery. There's two sources of output on this circuit. So this is a fan, right? You can put the blades on it too. And this is a lamp. So when you look at this circuit and you turn it on, see that the fan goes around, and the light, it's hard to see, but the light is very faint. And so what we can do is we could stop that. Oh, I'm gonna stop with my other hand so you can see what happened. There we go. And the light goes on. So when you stop the fan, the light goes on. And the question we did in class is, why does that happen? And it's actually a very simple reason. We learned last time that a circuit has like a flow of electricity. So it will flow from positive, and it goes around, and it keeps going around because it's a circuit. Now, basically, there's only one path that the electrical current will follow, one path. And in that one path, it has to service two loads. It has to service the lamp and the fan, and it can't really do that. So with the series circuit, that's part of the problem, okay, even though the series circuits have their uses, right, that it can only power one at a time. So when you stop the fan, the light goes on, and there's only one path. So there is a solution to that, and that's the next type of circuit. I'm going to turn this off. The next type of circuit here, okay, it's a parallel circuit. Now on this circuit, there's, like the last one, there is a flow of electricity, but there's two paths. So there's a path to the light, right? So there's a path to the light here, and then the lamp is below the fan here, you'll see it. And then there's the fan. Now with a parallel circuit, because there's two paths to the load, what it will do is that it will be able to power both here. So this is like a button instead of a switch. So when I press the button, oh, something needs to be tightened here. Okay. Fix that. Okay. There we go. I think that'll do. Okay. Sorry about that. So one of the snaps fell, and then it broke the circuit. So when I go to the switch, let's try that again. Oh, there's the problem. Okay, let's try that one more time. There we go. Now, I think with that, it should be okay. So when you press the button, well, this is embarrassing, isn't it? Let's try it without the blades. It doesn't seem like, okay, it's supposed to power both. Okay, and I don't know why it's not. Okay, even though the circuit's not working, you get the idea, I hope, that it would power the fan and power the light, even though that's not what's happening, but believe me, it happened in class perfectly. Okay, I'll try one more time. If I tighten everything here. There we go. So with the parallel circuit, it powers both, the lamp and the fan, because there's two paths to the power source. There's path one that goes to the lamp, and the second path that goes to the fan. And if I push the button, the fan and the lamp go at the same time, and one does not affect the other. The lamp is at full light, unlike here when you press the button. When you do the switch, it's hard to tell, but the lamp is actually on, but very faintly, until you stop the fan, and then the light goes on full. But on the parallel circuit, you push the button, and they both go. Of course, right now it's not working, but it was working before, and you saw it. Okay, so that's the difference between a series and a parallel circuit.